Bonsoir, ami. Um, so, for those of y'all uh, who have been, or who are aware, right, I was supposed to be participating in this challenge in December, and I, did not do it at all. Um, I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to talk about it. You talk about it, you get depressed. So, I decided to just go ahead and do all of the rest of the questions in one video that, I can't really see. Like, I'm trying to alternate because I can't really look at the camera. I don't know. I went to minimize it and it turned off. So I'm like, okay. So I'm going to be reading, like, this time I wrote all of my responses down and I'm going to be reading all of them here. So there you go. There will be no subtitles, so I do apologize for that. On my laptop, I don't have a feature like that yet, so I'm sorry. Okay, so I already did day one, which was what do you hope to achieve this month? So the next question was which app do you use often? Et j'utilise beaucoup YouTube pour étudier la langue et écouter de la musique. Uh, Day three, you have to describe the image. I wrote, il y a beaucoup d'arbres, de neige et c'est l'hiver. Le ciel est gris, je vois du film. Elles sont debout à côté de la voiture. Une femme habite un manteau rouge et Samy s'habite un manteau noir. Um, Day four. Do you prefer online shopping or in-person shopping? I just bought some stuff from Amazon, so. Euh, J'aime acheter quelque chose en ligne et parce que c'est facile et je n'aime pas quand il y a trop de monde. I don't think I said that right at all, but basically it's like I don't like when there's a lot of people. So, and it just feels faster to me. I don't know. Okay. Day five. Which country do you want to visit next? I haven't visited any countries, but je veux visiter le Chien ou I always say them wrong. Ou la Colombie. La Colombie. Oui. I will say Japan, but they got a lot going on right now in Japan. Uh, when were you born? I think was that the right one? Oh, I didn't pick. Oh, let's see what I did. I think I was gonna answer the question that said when were you born? No. What does it say? Oh, I don't know what I did, child. I put where I was born instead of when I was born, so my bad. But je suis né aux États-Unis. Aux États-Unis. Yeah. My bad. I'm sorry. I think I wrote the question down wrong and I don't feel like going back to see what the question. Okay. What do you often do on your smartphone? What do you never do? That was day seven. Je jouais souvent aux jeux mobiles. Je l'utilise jamais pour payer. Payer. I don't think I'm saying that word right. But yeah, I don't do like the payment with the phone. I don't do that. 8. What do you do at your job or school? The way the depression just came on so heavy answering this question tells you a lot about my job. Je travaille au bureau des admissions de l'université. Je réponds au téléphone et email. Je check les paiements et dépenses des frais. Et je supprime les doubles demandes. Again, no idea if any of that's right, but basically, I work in the Office of Admissions at a university. I answer the phone and emails. I process payments and fee waivers and remove like duplicate applications. Yeah, I do way more than that, but day 9. When did you buy your phone? J'ai acheté mon portable en 2024. 10. Describe the image. Okay. Le bonhomme de neige s'habite un bonnet et un gant bleu. Il est triste. Day 11. Do you read reviews before buying a product? I used to in French. Parfois, je lis la critique, mais maintenant, j'étais quelque chose et j'espère que c'est bon. It's bad, I know, but I don't know. Maybe I need to go back to reading reviews, Joe. Which is scarier, spiders or wasps? Whew. Euh, Cette question est très difficile, mais je pense que les araignées, spiders, sont plus terrifiantes. Ooh, yeah, no. Read a couple sentences of a news article out loud in your target language. So just in case somebody out there is also a French beginner or whatever, I found a website called French in Levels, and I mean it seems pretty good. So French in Levels. Uh, okay, I'm gonna do my best. I'm struggling to read my own sentences, so Brigitte Bardot est une célèbre star du cinéma française et devint populaire après un rôle fort au cinéma. Il était jouant à cette époque et beaucoup de gens connaissent son visage et son style. Il contribue à changer l'apparence des femmes dans le film. Des femmes dans le film. Whew, okay. Day 14. What can you do? What can't you do? Many things. Je peux parler espagnol, mais je ne peux pas encore parler coréen. So I can't speak Korean yet, but you know that day coming because it's on my list. Hey. Day 15, take a picture of your workspace, your work or study space. Describe what you see. Yeah. Mon espace est tout encombré, donc je ne prends pas de photos. Mais il y a mon ordinateur, mon portable et ma couverture. J'ai pu aussi voir la télévision. I mean, not right now because my workspace is like in the living room, but you know. Okay. Day 16. What home appliance do you use the most? J'utilise souvent le réfrigérateur. Ce que j'aime manger. Uh, Day 17, describe the image. Okay. Je vois Ariel, Moulin et Mouche. Il y a beaucoup de neige et un arbre de Noël. Uh, 18. What do you usually spend money on? Eh, okay, this one was hard because I'm like, so you mean to tell me there's no one word for stationery like pens, pencils, washi tape, journal? Like, there's not one word specifically for stationery in French. You know, I had to check with the AI, and I don't like fooling with AI like that. But I had to do what I had to do because I'm like, what's going on? Okay, I found a word. I don't know if it's the correct word. So, any French speakers out there, anybody who knows French, like, please help figure it out. Okay. La nourriture, la musique, la papeterie, papeterie. I don't know. That's the word it gave me. Et les ressources de langue. So basically, food, music, stationery, and language resources. Anything with languages, pretty much. Um, if you could live with one family member forever, who would you choose and why? Not gonna lie, I cheated on this one. I'm just gonna put that out there. Mon futur mari, parce que nous serions mariés. Ciao. Uh, Day 20. Who do you spend time with on weekends? I also did not know how to say this, so il n'y a personne, nobody. I don't know, maybe I can change that next year and be more sociable. I would like to, all my friends are too far, and but maybe one day I'll be able to spend time with people I actually enjoy. Um, let's see. Uh, what words describe you? What words don't describe? Okay. Le moi que mes déguives sont silencieuses, noires, intéressantes. Et le mot, I don't know how to say it. Words que mes ne déguives pas sont extravertis et brillantes et girly. Just not a girly girl, It's not me. Uh, Day 22. What time do you start school or work? What time do you finish school or work? Okay. Euh, je travaille à 8 heures et je termine à 5 heures. 5 heures. It's something about 5 in French. I heard it one way, then I heard it another way, and now I don't know how to say the word 5. It's like 5, 5. Ooh, that's why you gotta make sure you learn it right the first time. Okay. Do you prefer phone calls or text messages? J'ai préféré un appel téléphonique parce que j'aime écouter la voix des autres personnes. Uh, yeah. Though not, I don't know. I still prefer phone calls, even though I am leaning more towards text messages. Uh, 24, day 24. Describe the image. I say it. C'est des Jeux olympiques. Il y a des feux d'artifice. 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 Uh, Day 25. Do you prefer saving money or spending money? Habit I need to break in the new year. J'ai pensé d'économiser, mais j'aime plus dépenser. Oh man. Uh, Day 26. What season would you live in forever? Spring, summer, autumn, or winter? And I said, j'ai vu acheter. Oh, wait, no. Oh, I see what I did. I changed it. I do remember. I was going to say which one I would live in forever, but then I changed it and was like, which one would I add a week? Which month would I add a week to? That's what happened. Okay. J'ai vu acheter une semaine à décembre parce que je veux de très longues vacances. Like, child, I tell you, I do not want to go back. Uh, at all. Describe your ideal night. Uh, je suis dans mon restaurant préféré et plus tard, je vais chez moi. I don't know, y'all. I don't get out. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about that. Again, this is stuff that I'm like, I have to start thinking about for next year because, low-key, I don't like being at home all the time anymore. It's like, I do want to get out sometimes. Uh, Day 28. What content do you wish you saw more of on your feed? I just put something random. I did. Je souhaite voir plus photos et tutu. More photos. At least on Instagram. I really do wish I saw more photos because the videos are just side. You know, it's like where are the pictures at? And turtles because turtles make me happy. Uh, Day 29. What advice would you give someone? What advice? What advice would you give someone? Job or study or major? Okay. Vous avez beaucoup de patience et je suis vraiment. Are you gonna need all of Jesus up in there? Day 30, do you feel this challenge helped you? Was it fun? Y'all, you see I'm doing all of this at the last minute. Like, the challenge is fun when you participate and you do what you're supposed to do, but I didn't. So, what did I say? J'aimerais le challenge si je pouvais participer, mais je pense que ce challenge est très bon. So I would have liked it if I could have participated more, but it's still a dope challenge. It's just life happened and then it was like, oh, all right. Uh, what are your language goals for next year? I low-key was gonna say nothing, but then I remembered, like, oh, I am doing some stuff next year, so. Je vais lire la Bible en chinois et parler plus espagnol. All right, y'all, that is it. That's all of them. I did it. Uh, Now I'm gonna get my last item from my Amazon list for the year. Because come next year, it's like, girl, stop. All right. Bye.